Hello there, guys. Glad to see all of you watching this video of mine. I'm your lazy coder. I hope you all are doing great. So let's start today's video. We all know that last week OpenAI had its DevDay in which they demoed some of the new features as well as the updated features of the existing product that they have. Uh, One of the demo that they showed was really interesting. So in that demo, they basically showed that they were able to create a script via Codex, uh, which allowed them to control the stage light. They went one step further where they used their Xbox controller to control the stage light. Now, the fascinating thing about this is that they did everything in single shot. So when I'm saying that single shot, I mean that the moment they provided a single prompt to the codex, the codex was able to create the script in one go. Like there was no to and fro between the codex and the developer. That was really interesting thing. Now I have two questions too over here. First was like how are the two devices connected with each other? Now initially I thought okay, since the laptop stage light and the Xbox they all are in same Wi-Fi, the script was somehow tracking the network calls and then performing some sort of handshake and then creating the communication bridge between the Xbox and the stage light. But I'm not sure OpenAI want to promote such kind of behavior because of obvious reasons. I mean, it's a kind of a hacking kind of a thing. So other logical and the simpler solution that remains is that the laptop, the stage light and the Xbox controller were connected to the laptop via Bluetooth. So now the problem statement is pretty straightforward. So we have two devices, Xbox controller and the stage light. They both are connected to the laptop, and now the codex needs to create a script that will allow a person to control the stage light using the Xbox controller. Okay, now saying that it seems pretty straightforward, but I think it's not that easy simply because of the fact that uh, there might be multiple Bluetooth devices that are there connected to the system. So it has to pick up the right device and then create the communication bridge between them and then allow the control. I myself don't have too much knowledge about the networking stuff and also the OS level is thing I'm not much familiar about. So for me, it was a tough thing. And looking at the Codex doing it in one shot, that was quite, and I was really intrigued about that particular point. I really want to try it on my own. So I have a PlayStation. So I have a PS5 controller and I have a Bluetooth device, Bluetooth audio. So this is my Bluetooth, sorry, PS5 controller. I've connected it to my laptop using a USB device, and then I have this JBL audio device, which is connected to the same system using the Bluetooth. So now what I wanted was that I want to give one simple prompt to Codex as well as to Claude Code, and I would simply ask them, okay, this is the prompt. These are the two devices. They are connected to the my laptop. Uh, can you allow me to control my audio device from my Xbox. Sorry, from my PS5 controller. Okay, so you can see on the screen, it's been quite there for a long time, but it's like I have a PS5 controller. I have connected it to my laptop using USB device. I also have a JBL Bluetooth speaker connected to my laptop. Now, can you give me a script where I can use a PS5 controller and the PS controller to control the volume of the speaker? It's a pretty straightforward prompt. There's no uh, nothing special about this prompt. So I shared this prompt to the cloud code and the codex, and codex was able to give me the working script in one go, the very first thing, and Claude also gave me the same thing. Uh, but it took one extra prompt. So the issue was that Claude was not able to identify on what OS I was running on. So since it was not able to identify the OS, I just shared one more prompt saying that I'm running it on a Windows machine. So once I shared that prompt with Plot Code, I was able to get the working script. So I really want to show you guys how it looks. So these are my two terminal right now. And you can see they both are the same thing. I have two scripts. One is Claude PS5 controller, and another is Codex PS5 controller. Okay, and they both are sorry. So I will be running uh, Claude on one, Claude Code script on one of the terminal, and Codex on one of the terminal. I want to show you how it looks, how it works. I was quite amazed that I got the answer in the very first prompt. Okay, so I have to do this part again simply because of the fact that my mic was not able to pick up the volume of my speaker. And so there was no music, and you might not have been able to figure out if the volume is going up or down. So, yeah, I fixed those things. Now, I hope you will be able to figure out if the volume is going up, down, or if the speaker is muted. Uh, but yeah, again, I have to remove few filters from my settings so that it works out properly. The music will not be perfect, so kindly bear with me on that particular part. Rest, I think it should be good. Yeah. So, so let's go. So first of all, I will be running my script. The Claude Codex is sweet. Not the Claude. The Codex is script. I, uh, um, Codex script. And you can see that it has automatically identified the PS5 controller and the speaker. Currently, the volume is at 16%. I don't want to start it at this time because quite late at my end. So I've set up the volume at 25%. Okay, and now I'll play. Just give me a moment. Uh, yeah. So now when I start playing my device, my music. So here it is. There is my this one. Yeah. So start. So now you can see I'm controlling it from my PS5 controller. Now we also have a gradually increasing or decreasing the volume. And then in the end, we can mute this thing using buttons like this one. Yep, it's muted. So it's pretty easy. It's kind of good. So the controller quite intuitive. Like joystick is the one to increase or reduce the volume. Then we have a button for gradual increasing or decreasing uh the music the volume. But the only issue with this one is that for gradually increasing you have to click on the button again and again. So that is one thing. Rest everything is fine. The interface looks good. The buttons are intuitive. So yeah, this is good. So now I will kill this script and now we will move to the Claude code one. Okay, so Python Claude. Yep. So now it will ask for the all this. You can see it is listed all the output device that we have, and we need to select one. So let's say I have to select this one, my Bluetooth speaker, two. Now it is connected. Now it has given me all the things. Now the only issue with this one that I find is that it doesn't have like the joystick over here. This one is not the one which is used to control the volume. Basically, it's the button. That is the only drawback that I don't like about this particular thing. But I think it can be fixed by one or two by I think enhancing us prompt. Currently, our prompt is way too simple. So maybe because of that. So let's play the music again now. Currently, I think it's muted. So I will be increasing. Sorry, I will be increasing the volume. So sorry. So yeah. So now to gradually increase the volume, like it's like this one button. Yeah. So now I will mute it. Yep. So now You can see it's worked perfectly. The mute button, the volume going up and down, everything is perfectly fine. Again, they both have their own pros and cons, but I simply think it's basically because of how simple the prompt is. If we give more information in a prompt, like we have to control uh, the 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 volume via joystick, the button R1 or L1 should be responsible for gradual increase, and when we keep on pressing them, it should increase or decrease. It should not be like we keep on pressing them again and again. So those things can be done. It's not a big deal. Uh, so yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Like, uh, just try to incorporate using Claude Code or Codex into your workflow. Stop writing code on your own. Instead of that, start reviewing the code that is being given by that has been shared to you via Claude Code or Codex. I mean, that's the future. We need to start learning how to explain the requirements to the code and also how to review the code. That's the future. So yeah, start using it, start incorporating into your workflow at the earliest. You will be amazed how quickly you are able to do your stuff and how easily you are able to do the things which might have taken to you a lot of time. So for example, if I have to do this thing, it might take me 1 or 2 days, but Claude Code and Codex, they both give me within 1 or 2 minutes. So yeah. So I think that's it for today's video. I hope you really get something out of this video. Stay tuned for my next video. I will try my level best to keep uploading new videos every now and then. So do like and subscribe to my channel. Uh, Till then, it's your lazy coder signing off. Bye.